Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to tap on the settings and now let's find sound and vibration. And as you can see on the very first position we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, for alarms, events or notifications. So let me pick for example calls, and as you can see here we've got 3 options to choose from. What's more, we can tap on all ringtones. And here we are provided with a full list of defaultly installed ringtones. In order to listen how the particular one sounds, then simply tap on it. And if you find something interesting and if you want to set it as a ringtone, then simply tap on it, like here, and get back. And as you can see, it immediately appears here, and after getting back again, it is also here, so it means that from now on this device will use the chosen ringtone. What's more, we can change it, for example, for events. Let's tap on it. The same situation here, we've got some options, but we can tap on all ringtones, and let's tap to hear it. And as you can hear, we've got also some vibrations attached to these ringtones. I will show you later on how to turn them off if you want. And if you are ready, then simply get back. As you can see, it appears here and it is also here. And as I said, in order to turn off the vibrations, if you do not like this option, simply scroll down to vibrate for calls and tap on the switcher right here. And from now on, this device will use only the ringtone. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your POCO X3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.